Oh my God, my mouth is literally, I'm dying as I'm talking to you guys. It is so delicious. So delicious. Now, these are totally optional. You can also adjust the type of starch you're actually using, but for me, this combination works the best. Hello everyone, my name is Brianna, but you can call me Bri. I'm a personal trainer and a nutrition coach with a passion for bodybuilding. Today we are in my kitchen and I am going to show you my and all of my clients' favorite healthy dessert. It's a lifesaver. It is ridiculously easy to make. I promise it's going to take you less than 5 minutes, and then you gotta be patient just for a little bit until it sets in the fridge, and then you get to enjoy something that's going to excite your taste buds. So let's take a look at everything we need for this dessert. I'm also going to put all of the ingredients and recipe for this tiramisu again in the description box below. Now, the first thing you are going to do is pour your coffee into a plate that's going to allow you to soak the rice cakes in it. So I'm using this just flat plate and pouring the coffee, setting it to the side. You're going to need to weigh out about 200 or so grams of your yogurt. You could use a little bit more if you want to, depending on if you're counting your macros, what those macros are. Now, these are totally optional. I have tested the recipe with and without them. I personally think that it tastes better with them. You can also adjust the type of extracts you're actually using, but for me, this combination works the best. Add the vanilla extract and the almond extract to your yogurt. Then you're going to add your packets of stevia just to bring a little bit sweetness to the yogurt. Again, those don't have any calories, so we're not concerned with that. And once you've mixed your yogurt very well, you're going to grab another dish. You're going to put a little bit of yogurt on the bottom of the dish, and then you're going to sprinkle your raw cocoa on top. It doesn't work as well if you're using a spoon or you're using your fingers to sprinkle it, so you do want to use a sifter for this. In the meantime, you're going to soak quickly your rice cake into your coffee mixture. You can leave that there for about 30 seconds. Don't leave it for too long because it might get a little too wet and too soft, and it's going to be difficult to transfer it onto the actual tiramisu. Soak it on both sides, then put it on top. You want to layer again your yogurt, a little bit of raw cocoa. You want to soak and put your other rice cake on top, and finish with a last layer of yogurt and sprinkle of your raw cocoa. Now, once you have made this, I would say pretty great looking dessert, you want to let it sit in the fridge for at least 2 hours. This is if you're lacking lots of patience and you are literally dying to try it, which I know you are as you're watching this recipe. But it's going to taste even better if you can wait overnight, let it sit in the fridge, let it marinate, let it absorb all of those flavors. Oh my God, my mouth is literally, I'm dying as I'm talking to you guys. It is so delicious. The more it stays in the fridge, the better it is going to taste. Now, this deliciousness is about 250 calories or less, so you can fit it in a healthy plan. You can fit it at a deficit. It can be the thing that you enjoy after dinner that curbs your cravings for something sweet, but it is super healthy and everybody's favorite. Let me know in the comments below if you end up trying this, if you change it up a little bit. I want to know everything. If you find a way of making this even tastier, I most definitely want to know, you guys. If you'd like to see more updates from me, please go ahead, check out the description box. I'm going to have links to my social media handles over there, and I do post frequent updates. You are also going to be able to get in touch with me on my website, again, in the description box below. And I hope you really try and enjoy this. And let me know how are you liking it. I will see you in the next video.